July
That sounds so cute.
2017. Hot as hell. And look, the guy's turning on and off ice crystals. He is literally turning on and off.
They're on.
Here we go. Turn it off. Turn it on, turn it off. Oh, I guess he's doing Morse code. Look at that. Wonder what you're spelling out there. What is it? Binary? 1010 2020. All zeros. Look at that bastard. Oh, there he goes by our moon. Huh. And oh, it's behind the cloud. By the way, something's on. Look at that. Those are scalar clouds, like scales of music. Yeah, look at the sun. It's totally covered by a stupid smart cloud. Look at that evil monstrosity. Look at the colors off of it. That's radiation colors. Your ultraviolet lights is a radiation gauge. And this guy has given it something to really reflect off of. In our faces. You saw that. Americans. Killing Americans. How do you know? Because if that was a Chinese, a Japanese, a Russianese, or wannabes, anything besides American doing that over American airspace, you best believe our Blue Angels, Purple Angels, our military, or whatever would have shot the motherfuckers down. Huh? But they are the motherfuckers. Americans killing Americans. And wherever your country is, that's who's killing you. We are under attack and nobody's stopping it. Because they're attacking us. They're doing it. We're paying for it. And money and life and family and happiness. And nobody wants to jump up and say, enough of this shit. It's in our faces and nobody wants to jump up and say, stop the fuck up. All this fucking up our planet, fucking up our air, fucking up our food, fucking up our trees. Our planet, our life, our air. Our food, our water. Stop the fuck up. Just like curling a DNA. July 2017. Who fucking cares, right? Excuse my language, but this atrocity. Heartbreaking. The only thing you see flying around mostly is buzzards. I hardly see seagulls. I ask all the time. Look at that. There's layers. Oh, look, here's a new fresh batch. He's already, you know, jacked off there. Now this guy's coming. Leaving his spent behind. Let me see if I can see the time. It's 9:01 in the morning. And this guy's stuff is just going, and it's blue the way I see it, while it's disappearing behind him. There. You can see when it crossed that one. Yeah, ice crystals, people. Sure. And then when they announce that they're going to spray in the sky and leave stuff that's going to be up there for hours, well, then they say that day, this shit is called geoengineering. On the other days, this shit is called ice crystals. And you can sit there going, yep, okay. And then we see it do all this crazy stuff. Yep, okay. Boy, if I had a car, I'd be driving to every house that flew. Follow that plane. Follow that pilot. Knock on his door. Say, stop the fuck up. This is insane. Please, somebody look at your family member and go, okay, I'm not going to kill you for $1 anymore. I'm not going to kill you for $10,000. I'm not going to kill you for my $150,000 a year job. I'm just not going to kill you anymore. Bible predicted that. Eventually, the soldiers are going to put down their bombs and pick up rakes. Of course, it looks like they're going to wait to the last possible minute. I think that's turning rainbowy. There. Let's watch that for a minute. I'm surprised it's not like an extreme sunbow going on. But here we are. In 5 minutes, 2 planes have already gone by. Americans killing Americans. July.